You'd answer that question on the voice note to say, how does recruitment at Kaizer Chiefs work? If you had to put it in a simple manner to somebody who's like, "Ay, but they're not saying so," and how would you summarize that?
Rob, I used to go ngehlathini ngebo Zimbabwe kuphi ngena ngibheka ngamehlo. Akusabheka ngamehlo manje baba. Bakutshela ngezinto ezipoponwayo la ukuthi play igijime kangaki kwenza. So it's not normal like before ukuthi uyehlathini uyabheka uhlale lapha uthi lo player lenyayisana chairman or the coach, hey ngiboni left back ngiboni Nongomashe, hey ngiboni bani. It's deeper. So recruitment has changed. It's not Bobby now. It's not Eskusa no Bobby Muta or Dr. Kumalo no Bobby Muta Bahambe Hlathini or Ubra Screamer, the late may soul rest in peace. We kwatwa John Chabanenzi. I suspend Ganjal. The game has changed drastically. I mean, even the buying power and buying and selling power is different. And if you want to go now, the stats, issues on technology, to go to Congo, to go to Zimbabwe, to go everywhere and buy, these things are there, the records are there. Even the media will tell you, won in 16 games. But when you saw something, like in the past, you saw some talent. At Chiefs, this guy could score 10 goals. But you got a one lay for six. But at Chiefs, you can see. Now it's different. Now I coach it, ukore 5 goals, 16 goals.
Yeah, so, I mean, he talked about Botsane, Mashiane, Ngobo, all of those
there
guys.
Are those dynamics which will come when we ask the coach about. But I'm just saying, the game has changed to a point where we can't leave it to one man or to say it's a one-man show. It's a collective. Sometimes the coach wants this particular player, but there are dynamics. And the analyst will say, but this guy has got injuries from so long to so long, and the coach then, but it's a collective. So it's not that I've taken a back seat. I'm part of the process. I'm part of the team. Like I said to you, my gift is to serve. And structures.
But you were visible, though. So I think
but at the time,
that's what people...
I'm still visible. I don't see me on TV every day. No man jaiva banshika bathe uyajaiva lo bathi ngisefonini ngikhuluma nabo referee bathi ngenzani. I'm there, but I'm just saying levels.
Mama Joy is also visible, but she doesn't play an active role. So what I'm saying is that
no, I am active. I'm full time.